We have this 2019 Jeep Cherokee. We have to replace this screen. It's broken. Let me turn on. See, the screen is broken. All right, what we do, we will disconnect the negative part on the battery first. I'm gonna go do that. So just for people who don't know, when you open the hood and then you come here, you have to open from here. If you look at it here, there's no latch to do this like other cars. You don't see it. But the easiest way to recognize it, where it says Jeep, where exactly this one under it and then come between. From here exactly, it's under here. You just pull it toward you. See? So it's here exactly when you see this one under Jeep and then come next to it this way. All right. So this is the positive, this is the negative. We will disconnect this one with 10 mil. I disconnect the battery to make sure, okay, there's no power in there. So we have to remove this bracket so we can access the screen. Upon looking at it, it looks to me this part went back under this part. So this is sitting on top of this. That's what I see it. So we're gonna go ahead and then pry this part out. You can use any type of pry, pry tool. Just use something that you don't, break. So I used this one and I took this back. And then, yes, as I said, see, there's a small part in here. Okay, see, there's two Phillips screwdriver. Let me show you easy. So see, this comes down here. It's a Phillips screwdriver, or also could be number 7. Yeah, you can use number 7 or Philip, doesn't matter, both works. So let's do that. This is number 7 or 8. Let me just make sure. No, number 7. That's one. Oh, sorry. Just want to make sure you see it. Okay, I removed both of these. Now you can literally pray it. Okay. Okay. Okay, we prayed the bottom part. It looks like, let me see. It looks like only the top remaining here. Just so I don't break it, I'm gonna use my pray bars, pray bar, no, not pray bar, pray tools. Like I'm using this plastic this time. Okay. Okay. You have to be patient with it because sometimes it has, lips goes under. So you have to investigate to see what's the best approach. Okay. So let me keep trying. Okay. Okay, it looks like you can pray the whole thing, as you just have to be a little bit more patient with it. Because I got that part, out. Now let me go to the passenger side. Okay. Take it easy. So now that part is out. Okay. It looks like only one clip left here. Everything else is good. Now that I put some more tension in here, this becomes firm too. I can't really focus because of the camera. I'm putting it on my chest. So let me pause it and then put a little bit more focus in there. You know, let me loosen this part up, and then I'm going to show you how I did it. Okay, I pulled it a little bit harder, and then I heard it, so I think it got off. Let's see. Okay. Wow. Okay, that was not easy. Okay, it looks like we have 4 clips, and I think there's, you know, since they've been there forever, even though this 2019, but it looks like I can see a little bit of silicone. So I don't think they put a silicone in the, you know, when they created, when they, you know, but what it is, I think, you know, this is kind of, I would say, melted a little bit, which is fine because it's made from silicone, it's all plastic. So that's why it doesn't come out. But now that we opened it for future use or something, it's going to be super easy. Okay, so when you remove this, it looks like we have only one harness. We push here and then we got this out. That's it. So let me show you up close. These are the clips. Now that we have 7mm on our drill, let's get it out. Okay, we got all of them out, and then get the stereo out, and then on the back, let me show you really close. Not like that, but this way. Okay, you have this yellow, you push and then pull it out. So you push this tab and pull it out, that's one. And then this white one again, push it and then pull it out. So we got the white and yellow out. And then the main one, actually before, you know, we have one under two, but the main one, let's see where we push. Okay. Let me see what it is. Oh, this is a little bit strange, to be honest with you. Oh, okay. That's easy, actually. Let me put it back so I can show you. All right, so this one, you see this part here, you just push it and then pull it out. Okay? And then the last one, you push it and then pull it like this. And that's done. So this is the new part. They bought in Copart. Oh, sorry, they bought it in, I think, Polo Part or Junkyard, something like that. I checked it. I don't think that's the same part number. And sometimes this has become a problem. So we'll put it on to see. It may need programming. And here I can see some whiteness under it. Doesn't matter as long as it works. I think that's what's matter. So let's get into it. So we start from the bottom. It looks like we have something in here. I don't think there was anything in here. So we have one and then the main one and then two on the top. Okay, so the bottom one is this one. Well, the good thing is gray, so you don't make a mistake to put it on the black one. So it's gray, and let's see. Okay, this went back and clicked, that's good. And then now we put the main harness. Okay, now this is good. We got two more. Oh, actually, here's the black one. I can almost certainly see. I have not seen this one. Wait a minute. I know the other two will go. Oh, so sorry. No, not I know. This is for the bottom part that we took it off. Yeah, that's what I said. So the black one here, there's nothing goes in. All right, so let's put the yellow part back, which is, let's see. Okay, see, it has let me show you. Do you see it has like a cut here and cut there, and then if you look at the yellow tab there, it has the same thing, so you can put it back on the same orientation. So basically this is gonna be on the top like this. Let me show you. Okay, and you can feel it when it clicks. All right, and now let's do the white one, which is the last one. Okay, that was easy, and that's all. That's all. We put it back, and then we put the screws back. I put all 4 screws back. Now I will get this guy back. Before I put it back, remember you have to put this harness, put it back. Let's see how's the orientation. Okay, it has to be this way. Let's see. Yes. Okay. Most importantly, you have to hear it when it clicks, so you know it went back. So align it, and everywhere here, be patient with it. When you know it's everything is on place, start push pressure from the top. Okay, now this is good. Let's put these 2 screws back. And I put my setting into 1, so it's not breaking the screw or the thread, whatever. Okay, this is good. And now finally we didn't take this out, it's still intact. Put this back in here. That's it. Let me put back the battery, the negative part, and then we're gonna test it. All right, I just got back to the car, and look at this. It's good. Let me turn on the car. Okay. All right, it needs the code. All right, so let me tell you how I did get the code. So basically, since this was from another car tied to another VIN number, when you turn on the car, this is basically locked to another car. They think you stole this stereo. Okay, so you have like many ways of getting the code. You can go back to the junkyard, whatever you bought, if they have the code for it. If not, if you bought from someone, the owner may know the code. They can go, or you can get advanced, scanner, and opening the radio, go to the EEPROM, which is not worth it. There's 2 very practical way I use myself. One of them, calling dealer, giving them the serial number on the stereo before you putting in it. You take a picture, then you can put it there. When you have a picture of the serial number, you can give it to dealer. They can do it sometime for $5 or for free. It depends. But what I do normally, there's a website. I'm not promoting any website. There are so many, but I've been lucky with one of them. The name is findradiocode.com. It's actually instant. You just put the serial number, your email, so you can get the code, and your billing address. I paid $20, and as soon as the payment went through, it says congratulations, here's the code, and the code was 4-digit. I entered the code, it worked, and that's it. And I also got an email from them, so the code is saved. You can write it somewhere, but now works. See, let me turn on the car. The radio works. You can literally use climate or whatever. Everything works. Okay. Well, if this video helped you in any way, please go ahead, subscribe to my video. If you have a question, if you don't know how to get the code or something is different, you can ask me a question. Leave a comment for me. I will answer your question as much as I can, and like and support my channel. Thank you.